In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your QuickBooks subscription in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're downsizing, switching to a different service, or simply taking a break from accounting software, cancelling a subscription should be as straightforward as possible. It's my intention to guide you through each step of the process to ensure you can cancel your subscription without any hassle. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the QuickBooks official website. This is where everything begins. Once you're there, you will be greeted with the home page of this widely used accounting software. Look towards the top right corner of the page, and you will find a Sign In option. Click on this to proceed. The importance of this step cannot be overstated, as accessing your account details is essential for the steps that follow. After clicking on Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. These are the credentials you would have set up when you first registered for QuickBooks. Make sure to input this information correctly to sign in successfully to your QuickBooks account. Once you're signed in, the next step involves a bit of security, verifying your identity. This is a standard procedure for most online subscriptions and services. It's there to protect your personal information and ensure that only you can make significant changes to your account. QuickBooks may offer multiple ways to verify your identity, so choose the one that's most convenient for you. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete this verification process. Now, with your identity confirmed, it's time to navigate to the next critical section. Look for Settings, which you can find on the top right corner. This is typically represented by a gear icon. The Settings menu is essentially the control room for your QuickBooks account, allowing you to adjust various aspects of your subscription and account preferences. Within the Settings menu, seek out the Subscriptions and Billing option. This section houses all the details pertaining to your current subscriptions, including billing cycles, the types of subscription you have, and the all-important option to cancel your subscription. Once in the Subscriptions and Billing section, you will notice an option that allows you to unsubscribe or cancel your subscription. This is the exact option you're looking for to discontinue your QuickBooks services. It might prompt you for a confirmation or to provide a reason for your cancellation. This is a common practice aimed at helping services improve based on customer feedback. A small note for those who might be using a trial or free version of QuickBooks. Your interface might differ slightly from what's been described. In the free version, instead of an option to cancel, you might see prompts to subscribe to a plan. This discrepancy arises because technically there's nothing to cancel if you're not currently subscribed to a paid plan. Understand that this difference in options is entirely based on the status of your subscription. In conclusion, navigating through QuickBooks to cancel a subscription is a straightforward process designed with user accessibility in mind. Remember, if you find any of the steps confusing or if you encounter any specific problems, QuickBooks offers comprehensive support through their help center and customer service. They're there to ensure your experience is as smooth as possible, even when you're planning to leave. Cancelling a subscription for whatever reason should not be a tedious task. With the steps we've gone through today, you can swiftly manage your QuickBooks subscription without much of a hassle. Furthermore, understanding these steps enhances your digital literacy regarding managing online subscription services in general, a skill increasingly crucial in our digital age. Thank you for joining me in this guide on how to cancel your QuickBooks subscription. Whether it's moving on to a different platform or simply taking a break from accounting software, I hope this video has provided you with the clarity and guidance needed to navigate the process smoothly. Remember, it's important to regularly review your subscriptions and ensure they still fit your current needs and budget. Until next time, take care.